Hi guys. A required CD/DVD drive device driver is missing. If you have a driver floppy disk, CD, DVD, or USB flash drive, please insert it now. How to fix this problem while installing Windows 7 from USB flash disk? First, just remove the USB flash disk and insert into a USB 2 port. Close all these windows and install Windows again. If this method fails, please try two different methods given in the video description. You can create a bootable DVD and boot from DVD. Or you can download the chipset driver files and follow instructions in the website given below. I hope this video is useful for you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.